Hi, this is Chamali. She is a 26-year-old who loves to experience new things, and this is episode 1. Today, she is going to her first international artist concert, and it is none other than the Ed Sheeran. She felt that she is healing her teenage self by exploring and ticking off her bucket list. So she is inviting you to join with her while she share her experience through her not-so-good vlogging and learn new things about herself and the world around her.